Okay, good morning. It is 8:17 a.m. Mountain Time, which means it is 10:17 a.m. Eastern Time on December 15th, 2025. Obviously, well, maybe not obvious because, the year is almost over. Looking at the MNQ on a Monday, down about 25 basis points. We saw a bit of a sell down, test back up and down, test back up and down. Kind of broke through yesterday's volume area, volume point of control. Yesterday's value area low has now been broken through. We are closing in on last week's low, which is pretty significant because we are getting close to 25,000 flat, which is a good low. We actually have gone down under our belly back up. I don't know why it's all weekly, unless we just wick down there. But even still, I don't see the wicks on the chart unless it just happened too quick for the data to show up. I'm not sure. Gold is up 64 basis points. That's not bad. Bias is toward the downside on the indexes, of course. So we would like to trade to the downside if we have the opportunity. Touch the low of the day and then bounce back up, which is kind of exactly what's happening. That's great. Look for an area to get in. 200 would be pretty great. So we'll see.
Order filled.
So fantastic.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now back in contracts. I would like to see us push the bottom of this. That would be great.
Order filled.
Actually, I don't think. Yeah, it's funny. Go down to 100.
Order filled.
New low.
Order filled.
It was through my stop, but it didn't trigger my stop, so that's funny. That was great. Pushed a new low, pushed it down to 100, so that was my trade successful. I'm interested to see what happens at this 100 level. Okay, not very much resistance. I do think it'll come back up and test 100. I think it might happen pretty quickly though, so I want to be prepared if that is the case. Tough. I should have stayed in that trade. That would have been great. I really want to see us come back and test this 100 level, but I don't think
order filled.
We're going to $80 on the line. And that would be a treat, wouldn't it? That would be a treat indeed. Going all the way down to 25,000.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, whoops, that was a big mistake. Oh, shoot. I'll have to check the footage, but I think my mouse was actually hovering over the wrong thing. That's really unfortunate. Yeah, shoot, I was trying to just scale in and out, and I think I just reversed the position, and then I ended up closing it. I don't know, weird. But the reason I closed that position, obviously we are getting a bit of that bounce here, but I do think we are going to come up to this 100 level, potentially even test this level here that we broke through last week's low, just because it's so close to the 100. And depending on what we do in this range, I think the trade is still valid, even at the 30s. So we'll see. The other thing is we've made $300 today. That's not terrible. I'm always happy to walk away with that. We'll see. Yeah, okay. Well, you know what? Scaling out worked in that case. Made me $71 off of essentially 2 contracts because they were almost at break even, which more or less washes the risk to reward I took on that trade. So I'm not mad at that. But what I'm not loving is how this is all panning out. I think we are seeing a slowdown for this move, which is fine. Doesn't mean it's going to stick around forever. But these are the places that I need to be very careful with, because I will continue to trade like the move is still what it used to be, and it very well may be finished. And this is actually the close of the first hour in the market. So 25,408, 25. I'll go down here. 25,034.5. I guess it's also listed right there. Nice. Big range to start with. So I am super happy with this P&L. But we will see, because this is kind of what I was talking about earlier. I'd still like to see everything kind of hold below, put our level right there, just for visual sake. I would like to see things hold well below that. I'm not interested in getting in a trade up here, but in the next 10 minutes, I would like to see it. And it really picked up off of this. Look at these candles. Direction. This here, back down through the hundreds. But we will see how long that lasts for. Alright, so up through that 30 level that I was talking about, and right back down. We're coming back down. We're getting close to those hundreds. Oh, wow. Okay, because if I can't talk through a trade and figure out where I'm going before I even put it on, I probably shouldn't put it on. $371 on the day. Did for 30 minutes here or something like that. Yeah, you know what? I have other accounts to trade, and I want to secure these profits, which is what I just did. So that was, I don't know, not much to complain about there today. Maybe just hold on to those trades a little longer when you're winning. There's always a caveat, I guess. Hold on to those trades longer when you're winning. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.